In this video, we will unbox and assemble the rectangular post gate kit. The rectangular post gate kit includes the flange, deck sleeves, deck plugs, rectangular brackets, quick links, eye screws, 1-inch black screws, half-inch screws, and it also includes the TriLatch and hinges. Let's get started with the 2 half-inch screws and the flange. The holes in the flange will align with the pre-drilled holes in the rectangular post. Using a bit extender on your cordless drill and a number 2 Phillips drive, screw the flange to the rectangular post. Install the rectangular post and the fence in the deck. Make sure all the sections of the fence are connected and that the fence is attached at any termination point. Next, let's attach the rectangular bracket. Remove the top screw from each of the fence posts and replace them with eye screws. Hold the rectangular bracket on the rectangular post and align the side of the bracket with the side of the post. You will mark the post in the middle hole on the bracket. Using long zip ties will help hold the rectangular post and fence post together for this process. Tighten the zip ties so that the eye screw and the center mark on the post are 2.5 inches apart. Slide the eye screw through the middle slot and hold the rectangular bracket, lining it up with the top border of the fence. Using a 5/32 drill bit, drill the mark on the post and then secure it with one of the 1-inch black screws. Attach the quick link to the eye screw and then turn the eye horizontal to keep it from backing out of the slot. Now let's install the hinges. Locate the weep holes on the gate frame. This indicates the bottom of the gate. From the top of the gate, measure and mark 7 inches and 8.5 inches. From the bottom of the gate, measure and mark 10.5 inches and then 12 inches. Drill using a 5/32 drill bit. The hole you drill will be offset from the center line of the molding closest to the mesh. Quick note: remove any screws on the gate frame that will interfere with the installation process. Insert the screws through the elongated holes in the hinge. Attach the hinges to the gate frame using the screws provided with the hinges. Push the hinge against the rectangular post to allow it to sit flush on both sides of the hinge. Align the top of the gate frame with the top border of the fence. Only pre-drill the top hole with a 5/32 bit and then screw it to the rectangular post. Now that the top screw is in place, you can pre-drill and screw in the remaining front screws. Prop the gate open and finish off the holes on the inside of the hinge. Next, you will install the TriLatch gate latch system. The TriLatch comes with the striker body and mounting bracket, latch body mounting brackets, 1-inch mounting screws, long set screw, the keys, and a set screw cap. Start with the latch body mounting brackets. The first bracket will be mounted just below the rectangular bracket. Pre-drill the top hole with a 5/32 drill bit and then screw it into place. Then finish off the other 2 remaining holes. Next, you will slide the latch body onto the bracket. The pull knob housing should be at 54 inches as per ASTM requisite. Now slide the bottom of the bracket into the bottom of the latch body. Pre-drill and screw it into place. Slide the latch body off the mounting brackets and pre-drill the remaining 2 holes. Only screw in the top hole and leave the bottom hole empty for now. Slide the latch body back onto the rectangular post. Next, you will install the striker body mounting bracket onto the gate frame. There's an indicator mark on the mounting bracket and the latch body. These 2 marks should line up when locating the mounting position. Pre-drill with a 5/32 drill bit and then screw it into place. Then pre-drill the 2 side holes and then screw them into place. Slide the striker body onto the mounting bracket and turn the silver adjustment screw clockwise until the striker body is completely installed onto the mounting bracket. A properly adjusted latch will have equal distance on the right and left side of the latch body. The gate should shut and latch completely unimpeded. Next, you will screw in the long set screw, securing the latch body, and then insert the set screw cap. Periodically adjusting your gate will help keep your little ones safe and give you peace of mind.